Hello everybody and welcome to today's vlog. Today we're having a bonfire at my granddad's, but first we have to go horse riding.
Excellent! Oh yay! And it's Sunday as well, so we'll probably get a big dinner. So what's going to happen is we're going to go horse riding and then we're going to go over to Grandad Reed's where there's going to be hopefully a big bonfire and lots of fireworks. Shall we get going?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Let's go.
Who's the what?
School.
Oh, not far. You enjoying yourself? Hello, Billy. Little Billy boy.
Nice. Get the full impact, Barry.
Wow.
Look at that go. I love those little ones.
There's a green one flying at you.
And that's called Hellfire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's the same as the last one.
Same as that one called Joyous.
Roman candle. What's that? They could have added money off them there if it was on down there.
Ooh.
Where?
Oh.
That's one of them butterflies screaming to get out, William.
That's it.
Oh.
Screaming butterflies.
Oh. Oh, that was like the last one, but with a sore throat.
Yeah.
Stop.
Ooh.
Wow.
That's a nice one. Oh. So you torch off them both. Oh. 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 Is that it?
That's it. There's loads to burn. Unbelievable lot to burn.
Yeah. That's a fountain bit.
Hey,
Oh, it looks it. Oh, hello. Looks like it's bent.
That's like the other one.
Getting better.
That's like the other one, isn't it? We've got two of these. Two of them.
Last one.
it's like that part on the Blair Witch watching you run back with that.
Wow.
You laugh, Will. Yeah.
Oh, I was right. It's pretty.
Dirty. Like it.
That's like the thingy bees, that one.
A little bit, but without the noise. So this is a little diddy one.
Yep.
Yep.
They're probably going for longer than the other one.
I'll tell
That's nothing.
What's say it's in a big box? It's
What do you mean that's
pretty
nothing?
Well, say that.
That is
pathetic.
Romania.
Oh no.
Turbo. When's the turbo going to kick in?
Anytime.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
what was that?
Oh. To the side. So William, did you enjoy that?
Yeah,
And what was your best bit?
the stinging bees.
The singing bees firework. Yeah, that was ace. So what do you say to everybody?
Hit that like button and subscribe button. We're out.